primary cost, if I post any transaction in the finance by taking the primary GL, it will also generate the controlling document. It will also go and update to the controlling tables, controlling side. Okay, so that you have to understand. Now I'm going to post one more accounting entry. We'll go and see our journal entry. So I have posted some journal entry. Yesterday we posted the rent and cash account. Today I'll post the salary to cash account. Okay, so today I'm going to take T code f.02. Okay, I used FB50, I used FB50L, I used FB01. Today I'm using this T code. Okay, hit enter. Give here date, give document type essay, give company code US80, give currency. We have posted so far only in the domestic currency. Very soon we'll also post in the foreign currency. Okay, now give here the GL. Here you have salary account debit. So salary account is created as a primary cost element. Okay, if you see here, if you come here under the here, salary account created as a primary cost element. It means that if I post any entry in this GL, it will also generate the accounting entry document in the controlling side also. Okay, so let me take this GL, copy this GL, hit enter, give the amount, salary account 1000 rupees. Okay, 1000 rupees, salary debit 1000 rupees. And I have also told you any GL created as a primary cost element, you have to enter the cost center also. Hit enter, you'll get error. So this is the error you'll get all the time. So you have to enter the cost center. Okay, hit enter. Now give here 50. Give here cash account. Select here cash account. Click on drop down. Hit enter. This is the cash account. Hit enter. Give here 1000. This is the mandatory field. You can copy this one text. Okay, you simulate it and post it. Post it. Okay, now go and display the document. Okay, if you want to see the, this is the finance document. If you want to see the controlling document, go to environment, go to document. Okay, go to relationship browser, click on this one. It's taking time. In the meantime, check also in the AC doca. In AC doca also it will update the controlling document. See, it came here. This is your controlling document. This is your finance document. This is your controlling A, starting from A. See, in the finance document, go back. In the finance document, first it is showing company code, then document number, then fiscal year. In the controlling document, it is showing controlling area, then this number. So it is, if you post from finance to controlling, earlier you had to map the number range against the business transaction type coin in the controlling side. If you remember, I have taught you to map the number range in the controlling side. But now in S4 HANA, if you post from finance to controlling, you no need to map. Even if you don't map also, it still works, because system now generate the random. This is random technical number starting with A series. This is system generating. It is not picking what you have mapped in the controlling side. This is not picking the number range what you have mapped in the controlling side. This is the system generating the number range. So this is one difference between ECC to S4HANA. When you post from finance to controlling, controlling document is random number, any technical number system generate, system assign, not what you have mapped in the controlling side. Okay, so this is one difference. Now go and check in the AC doca. Okay, so document number is 005 US 80. Give your document number 005. Now controlling document number is, let me deselect all to show you. I'm deselecting all. I'm going to show only this one, this one. CO document number is CO underscore Belnard, technical field name. Okay, Belnard. So this is the field which is, this is the field where CO document number will update. This number will get updated. Tick this one. See why it is telling universal, universal table, because see in this, in single table you can get the controlling posting also, finance posting, asset accounting posting, material ledger, every area posting you can get into single table. So therefore reconciliation is not required. Now I no need to do reconciliation between this document to this document. I can go in ACDoc, I can check. Okay, in a single place, run it. So this is ledger one, this is ledger two. Let me bring the ledger also, other will get confused. Let me bring the ledger, sorry, ledger, and let me bring the account number also, RSCT, so you'll have some idea. Run it. Okay, so see here, this is for ledger debit credit, this ledger debit and credit. So CO number range has updated only for the cost element, cost element in the salary, in the salary GL only it is updated. Okay, not for the balance sheet GL. So observe all these things. Is it clear this part? So when it will generate the CO number range, whenever you post by using the primary cost element. Is it clear this part? Is it clear everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Durga, is it your understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it updates into the CO side. So go to CO tables. Okay. So CO table, T code is COBK is a table, header table of the controlling document. Like in finance, you have BKPF. So in CO side, this is the table for the header, hit enter. COBK is a CO header document. Okay. Give that, that give controlling area. APCO is, I think, our controlling area. Then if you remember the document, give some information you give. I'm running everything together. Okay, so this many CO documents are generated. This you have posted. Okay, that's the reason it is generated, because you have posted last yesterday rent account. So now check here, your CO document number will be coming here, this AC doc. So this is the one. So GT00, see here, GT00. Today you posted, this is the document GT00. So observe it, what are the information you can see here. See APCO, this is controlling area. This is the CO document number. Fiscal year, this is the business transaction it will pick. When you post from FI to CO, coin is a business transaction. Earlier we had to map the number range for coin in ECC. In S4HANA against coin, not required to map. It will automatically pick the technical document number. Okay. See, one thing you have to remember, wherever it is the similar process, when it is fixed process, SAP automated that process, that's it. So they know that we'll be posting from FI to CO and it will generate the document, then why unnecessarily put as a dependency on the consultant to maintain the number range? Why can't we give some random number? So that's the reason they have assigned the number ranges. coin. See here somewhere you'll find coin business transaction. CO here. CO through posting from FI. So if you post from FI to CO, this is the transaction it will pick. Okay. This is time stamp. This is period. This is the date, posting date, username, and text and all everything. Okay. See, this is the reversal, not reversal. So all these things, this is the FI side document number. Okay. So if you want to see for this CO, what is my FI document, it is updating here. Document type and all these details are here. Okay. You can observe like this. Are the it is updating. Now, if you want to see the line item, okay, T code is COEP. In controlling also, there are three tables are there for line item. This is what I feel more comfortable while using. So give here APCO, run it. GT. This is line item related information. See amount, transaction currency, object currency, controlling area currency, and see here all this. So in object number, if you see, it is your controlling area KS. KS means cost center. Then APCO controlling area followed by cost center. So observe all these things. This is the GL. It has to be cost element. So please like this you have to observe, because when you are building any report, this is the offset account. That is your cash account. It will be highly used. Okay. Is there any doubt in the table part from? Is there any doubt in this one? Hello.
No,
Is
sir.
there any doubt? Now, if we post in the cost center, if you remember yesterday also you have post some entry in the cost center. Today also you have posted in the cost center. You want to see the cost center report. Let's say Ravi is the owner of this cost center. He want to see in his cost center what is the amount is being posted. Okay. Then he has to he has to run the cost center report. Okay. It is very important. Reason being, every month Rabi will be checking his cost center, and if he finds any extra cost is booked in his cost center, then you have to do the cost reallocation. Let's say this salary doesn't belong to this cost center. This cost center owner is Rabi. Now Ravi will tell that no, this cost center is this amount is booked. It doesn't belong to me. The person for whom we have paid the salary, that doesn't work for me. It works for Babes. So this cost should be booked for the Babes. Now how to handle, how to do the reallocation, that also before that let us see the cost center report. Okay. So let me go to cost center report. One T code is there, but let me follow the path. Most of the cost center report will start yes underscore ALR underscore. Okay, but let me follow the path. So come here, cost center, actual posting, not here. Come to information system, come to here. So lot of reports are there. Okay, in cost center you'll get lot of report. Check which report can meet. So this report will meet mostly our requirement. I want to see in my cost center what are the posting is done. So I'm going to this report. So running. Okay, so it comes something like this. You have to give your controlling area, give your fiscal year, give from which to which posting you want to withdraw, This is the version, give 0, and you can this is the cost center group, this is the individual cost center, this is the cost element, mean GL wise if you want to see, this is the GL group, this is the cost element from and to. So I know my cost center, so I'm going to give my cost center here. So this is the cost center. In this cost center we have booked, or you can take from here also. In this cost center I want to see what is my booking, and I can give from which are the cost element booking happen, salary, rent, I can give that. I'm giving blank, I want to see all the posting, and I'm giving 1 to 12 all the posting period. Click on this one. Okay, so I can see that there are two posting happen, one from salary account, one from rent account, and this is the positive. Okay, this is the positive, means cost center got debited. Okay, if it is uh, positive, it means cost center is debited. In cost center value is added, that is a plus minus can also be possible. Okay, so here 2100 one time it came and 2000 it came. Okay, now let's say that's what I'm telling. Let's see, owner is a Bhavesh. Bhavesh is telling that this 2000 doesn't belong to me, doesn't belong to my cost center. Okay, it doesn't. Or let's say this 2100 doesn't belong to Bhavesh. So Bhavesh has, now what are the options Bhavesh has? Either Bhavesh can go and reverse this journal entry in the finance side and book correct accounting entry, same entry but with different cost center wherever it belongs to. Or in the controlling side, accounting entry remains same. There are three possible way you can do in the controlling side. I'm going to teach only one way as of now. I don't want to confuse, but three different way you can do. One way what you can do, from this cost center you can move to another cost center. Okay, you can move this 2100 from this cost center to wherever it belongs. Let's say it belongs to Rabi cost center, so you have to move to the Rabi cost center. So that's what I'm going to do. So prior to that, let me create one cost center. We have only one cost center. To create the cost center, KS01, give controlling area, give your cost center. So 1001, let me copy, I'll create. Give 2, give your validity, hit enter. Give your training cost center. Okay, let's say this is Mr. Durga is responsible. Select staffing, hierarchy, select HR department, company code, select US80, profit center, select mobile one, hit enter. Okay, so save it. Okay, now this is done. Now this cost center, whatever you have booked in this cost center, the value of this 1000 rupees are partial amount, whatever value you want to move. Okay, whatever value you want to move, you have to move from this cost center to this cost center, another cost center which you have just created, this cost center. Okay, right now if you go and check the value in this cost center, you will not find anything because as of now we have not done any posting. See here, go here, and if you run for this cost center, you will not find anything. See, there is nothing. Okay, so now let us do the reposting. Okay, so go to kv15n t code /n kv15n, hit enter. Okay, so it appears like this. controlling area, give here this one, give there everything. Now this is the if you are okay in this layout, it's okay, otherwise come here, select entry. See here, now it is asking to maintain the number range. For which business transaction? KMB. This is the number range for the controlling. Controlling, you are posting in controlling. This is not the finance number and that you go and maintain in the finance beyond. You have to maintain for this business transaction type in the controlling side. Now to maintain the number ranges in controlling, T code is KANK. Give here controlling area, APCO. Go to here. So if you see here, you have mapped this few business transaction type, you have mapped RKU1, RKU2. But to do the manual repost of the cost allocation, this is the business transaction type it is picking from the backend, KMB. So you have to map the number ranges for KMB. KAMB. Select here, then click on this one. Okay, click on this one. Then select this number range 01. Double click. Now what will happen? The business transaction type will come below here. Okay, under this number range, this is got assigned. Save it. It works, okay, control F, but I'm not sure why it is not working. Generally it works. Let me try one more. RKPL. RKPL. So it is working for this one. Why it is not working? Did I type anything wrong? KAMB. I'll try one more time. KAMB. It is working now. Don't know. So it works, okay. Type properly. Maybe some mistake. Save it. Come back. So this is the number and it will pick. Now hit enter. Okay, so see here. Here you have to see either you are comfortable with this format or you're comfortable with this format. Okay, this is format, and this is also important. Either cost center you want to map, order you want from cost center to cost center, order to order, or cost center to order, WBS to order. So what you want to do, or all what you want. Right now my scenario is cost center to cost center. So I'm selecting cost center to cost center, and I'm comfortable with this pros this way. Okay, now give here sender cost center, means from which cost center you want to move the value. So this is the cost center. From this cost center I want to move the value. Go to here. Which cost element? From which cost element? This cost element, salary. Give here. How much amount? Okay, let me see how much amount is there. 1,000 rupees. I want to move half, 500 rupees. 500 also I can give. Okay. Then receiver cost center. Who is receiver? This is what we have created just now. This is what we have created. So this is the cost center I want to move to.
Maybe if you
Okay.
don't mind, can you move 600 or 700, please?
600, 700. Which 600, 700?
No,
Oh, amount. Okay,
yeah.
okay. So it will be good, yeah, while analyzing. Yes. Hit enter. Okay. Up to here, is it okay? Everyone is okay? How to move? Okay,
Yes.
right, everybody? Let me write here some movement of cost. So text will also be the movement of cost. Everybody is okay, right? Up to here. Okay, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Save,
Okay.
save it, yeah. See, there is some more. See, now it is asking CO side number range. Now, because see, all this purposefully I have put. Okay, now it is asking CO side error, because you know that now, since every cost element is part of the FS00, either you post in FI or you post in CO. If you post in CO also, it will create the FI document. Then only it will go and hit into AC doca. So now it is asking CO document type. So standard is given CO, document types itself is a CO, but I'll talk about it if I want different document, how it show. I have how I have to do. How I am telling it is CO number, and this is object. RF underscore B leg. So whenever you maintain the number ranges, if you maintain the number ranges for controlling object is RK underscore B leg. So for every number range there will be object. Okay, there will be object. I'm just telling you how to identify which side number range error it is. It is RK underscore B leg. Okay, similarly if you maintain the number range of asset master, see if you go AS08, I think to maintain the, see it has this object, this is the object. So different number range have different object. Okay, now if I go and maintain the number range for controlling FBN1, sorry FI, it has RF underscore B leg, and see in the error also it is giving RF underscore B leg, where it went here. See what it is, RF underscore B leg for the node, for the connector number range 23, company code US80. Okay, now maintain the number range. If you want to see 23 for which company code, then you can, sorry, for which document type, then use T003 table. Okay, give the number range here 23 and run it. It is for the CO. So it is in the controlling, for when you're posting in the controlling, it is picking the FI side CO number range. How it is picking, why it is picking, I will talk about that also. Okay, so maintain the number range here. Give here US80, go to here plus 23 999 23 23 999, hit enter, save it, save it. Now go again for posting here, hit enter. Okay, now post again. Okay, it got posted, it got posted. Now go to display, you can reverse also. Okay, go to display. Okay, now go to extras. No, go to here, go to here FICO document. Okay, so see, this is your FI document number, this is your controlling document number. This is picking for them KAMB. So this is the number range you have mapped in the controlling side. 1 lakh to some 1 lakh 9999, that is your mark. So this is picking for controlling. This is picking for FI. Is it clear? First FI and CO controlling document. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is picking from the controlling number range. Let me show you controlling number range what you have mapped. First FI just now you have mapped 23. So here 23 it is picking. If you come back, it would have updated also. So this is the number range it got created in the FI side. In the controlling side, if you want to see KANK, go here and see here. Oh, sorry, controlling area is APCO. Click here. See, it is number ranges. You have given one this number to this number, so it will generate from this number. Okay, it will generate from this number. Now come to here. Now go and see controlling. You can see the entry. So controlling, it is showing like this. What it is showing, same GL, whichever this GL is crediting because value is going minus, and this GL is getting debited, value is coming. Is it clear up to here? No doubt, right? So same GL, only cost center is getting changes. So this is getting minus and this is getting plus. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right? We'll run the cost center report also. Go to FI side. Double click on this one. So salary account debit, salary account credit, same, only cost center will change. So this got credit, this cost center become minus, earlier to a debit, and this become debit. Okay, now run report, cost center report. Go to and run the cost center report. First run, go to path, cost center, information system, report, plan, run this one. First run for cost center 1. Okay, from which value become minus. So it will become minus. Okay, see minus 600 entry got posted. Okay, na, so it become net balance this much. Clear, right? This one. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now go and give another one in which you actually posted. Okay, now it is showing 600 plus here. Is it clear? This one so far?
Yes, sir.
So far, is it clear? Okay, now whatever you did, now let us see the trial balance. Let us see, in the document splitting time, we have discussed that at profit center level or balance it should match. At profit center level it should match. This is what we have studied. So now let us generate the report. Okay, let us generate the trial balance report.
Hari, can I
Trial,
ask a quick question, Hari?
yeah, please.
Can you please go to the accounting document that got generated?
Accounting document here, I think. Yes,
And can you please go into the header?
header. Yeah.
So here now it is showing the document status as you.
Huh.
Now, and it is saying that posting in general ledger only. What does it mean here?
It means that it is posted in the GL view only. There is no entry view. This is what yesterday I was telling. So this is only update in the AC docker, not in BSEC. So this is one of the example. You should not use BSEC to build the report.
And only when the posting happens from the controlling to finance, the document status will be you.
Not in lot of time in finance also it happens. As I said, foreign currency revaluation or depreciation posting, asset accounting posting, that time also it will pick you.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay, now let us observe all this. What Rabi asked, na, you have to know all this. If you don't know, then you cannot build the report. That is very important. See, if you build any report from BSEC, then your report will be incomplete. It will not be correct. That's the reason we always ask every student to master in the AC Doka. Each and every posting you do, please go and observe the master data. Or sorry, AC Doka table. Very important. Every moment of your posting, you have to observe the AC Doka. Otherwise, if you don't know the behavior of each posting, how it happens in AC Doka, then how can you build the logic? If you don't know this particular field updates when, how, what, then how can you build the FS or report? So observe. You posted this, please pass this and go and observe how it is updating. What are the field it is updating? You have to observe everything. Okay, very important. Thank you, Ravi. Yeah, now let us go and see the trial balance. Okay, and also let us see the profit center wise trial balance. Okay, so it opens something like this. Which ledger you want to run? Which company code you want to run? From which date to which date you want to run? And click here and check if there is any other selection parameter. So all these selection parameter are there. Which fiscal year, which GL account. Check here, major focus on profit center also. Okay, profit center is also one of the parameter. Profit center group is another parameter which is not available in the standard report. That's the reason we go for custom report. Okay, so see here, anywhere, see group GL. If you want to run via group GL, account assignment, see here profit center. Yeah, profit center wise you can run the report. So all other is there. Only group is not there. So grouping, because of that you go for custom. See a selection parameter. So this selection will appear here now. Okay, I am running for the leading ledger. Give the company code US80. Give from into, okay, whichever you want to give. So I'm giving 8th period. Okay, from first to this period. I'm not giving any other thing like fiscal year. Let me give the fiscal year. Group and all this I'm not giving as of now. I will run the report. Run it. First run at a company code level, okay? Then you can see another level. First time, so it's taking little time. It's coming. Please master in this kind of report because very often business will ask reports. Okay, report is also equally important. Okay, so this is graphical representation. I'm going here, data analysis. Click on this one. So see here the value. It's getting hang system. Okay, so company code. This is the company code description. Then chart of account, your operating chart of account. Then GL. Let me expand a little bit. It's going here and there. Okay, expand. This is the GL. Okay, then this is cash account. I mean description. Then opening balance. Then debit balance posted, credit balance posted, then ending balance. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, this is the trial balance. Okay, is it clear? Total trial balance will always have zero. Debit credit will always have equal. So match it here. See, debit and credit equal. Is it clear? Clear,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes.
Please feel comfortable on this kind of report, okay? Because very often businesses want it. Now if you want to run for any profit center, you want to see either my PC label it is matching or not. Keep it profit center, give G. I think what is your profit center? It is mobile one only, right? I think so. Run it. Okay, see it is a pulling reported PC label. So in this PC, you have posted debit this much balance and credit this much balance. Okay, debit credit equal and trial balance you are able to get the PC label. Okay, now